YouTube friends, Auntie. Welcome back to Auntie A's Kitchen, where I love to share with you simple and delicious recipes that you can cook and prepare for yourself, friends and family. In today's video, homemade custard, and we're going to serve it with the humble banana. It's comfort food for me. This is a classic dessert from back home. It's simple to prepare, and the combination of the banana with the custard just work really well together. In today's short video, I'm going to be sharing lots of different ingredients you could use to make your own homemade custard delicious and perfect every single time. So thanks for watching. Let's get cooking.
This is a simple recipe and you won't need to buy any pre-made custard ever again. Start by measuring out your milk. I recommend using regular milk rather than semi-skim for the best flavour. But if you want to make your custard more indulgent, use a mix of half cream, half milk. I'll put all the measurements in the description below this video. Next, separate your egg yolk from the whites. I like to use my hands, but you could also use 2 eggshells. Don't throw out your egg whites, as these are great for a breakfast or for making meringue. I personally prefer a custard on the runny side, so I add 1.5 teaspoons of cornstarch. But if you would like a thicker custard, then add 2 teaspoons. Also add your sugar at this stage and then mix everything well together. You will know when this is well mixed, it will be silky and creamy, then just set it aside so that you can get on with the next stage. On your stovetop, heat your milk or cream milk combo depending on what you use. To flavour the custard, you'll see me adding some vanilla essence. Vanilla powder also works well, but for the best flavour, scrape the inside of 1 vanilla pod into your milk, then stir until this heats up. Just before your milk begins to simmer, add some of the milk from the pan into the bowl with the eggs and mix this until well combined. We don't want to scramble the eggs, so we'll warm up the eggs slowly. I'll mix in 1 spoon and then you'll see me add another spoon, mix this all together and then empty this into the pan. And a quick tip here is if you then pick up some of the custard with the bowl, it will help you then remove all of the custard from your bowl, making sure that you don't waste any of that delicious flavour. And if you're interested in making some chocolate custard, which goes really well with a chocolate sponge, then just add a few tablespoons of cocoa powder at this stage and mix in. I personally like to use a wooden spoon when making custard, but if you're using a non-scratch pan, you could also use a whisk to stir to ensure you have no lumps in your custard. Then all you're going to do is mix this until it begins to thicken. I lift up the spoon just to show you it's not quite thick enough, so I keep stirring and allow it to heat up a little bit more until it is thick and silky. This British classic for me is the ultimate in comfort food. Not only is it fast to prepare, but it also tastes amazing. You don't have to serve it with banana, mixed fruit also goes well, and another favourite for me is to serve the custard with a tin of peaches. So let me know in the comments below your favourite desserts you like to serve with custard. You can serve the custard hot, but cold custard also tastes great. Another tip, if you're going to store any leftover custard in your fridge, place some cling film over the top and this will stop any skin from forming on the surface of your custard as it cools. This dessert is not only ready in under 10 minutes, but it's delicious. You can't go wrong with a combination of custard and bananas. There are more simple and delicious recipes and other desserts I serve with custard if you're looking for ideas on the channel. So please now enjoy this with friends and family, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks for watching, have a great week, God bless. Jobbock hamnada.